Module 1, Principles of Script Writing. Lecture 1, Introduction to Script Writing. Welcome to the course Fundamentals of Script Writing. Script writing is the art and craft of creating stories for performance in theater, film, radio, or television. A script is not just dialogue, it is a blueprint that guides actors, directors, and producers in bringing a story to life. The goal of script writing is to engage an audience through compelling stories, believable characters, and coherent plot structures. In this module, we will explore the foundational principles that govern effective script writing, including plot development, characterization, theme, and language. Lecture 2, Understanding the Script Structure. Every script is built upon a framework or structure that provides clarity and flow to the narrative. The typical structure includes: exposition introduces characters, setting, and the initial situation. Rising action develops conflict and tension that drive the story forward. Climax, the turning point of the story, where conflict reaches its peak. Falling action resolves secondary conflicts and leads toward closure. Resolution, the conclusion of the story, where conflicts are resolved. Understanding this structure ensures that a script has direction, rhythm, and emotional impact. Lecture 3, Plot Devices and Story Development. A plot device is a technique used to advance the story or create suspense. Common plot devices include: foreshadowing, hint at events to come. Flashbacks, revealing past events to explain character motivation. Irony, creating contrast between expectation and reality. Twist endings, surprising outcomes that subvert audience expectations. Plot development requires careful planning to ensure that each scene contributes to the overall story and maintains audience engagement. Lecture 4, Characterization. Characterization is the process of creating believable and multidimensional characters. Characters drive the story, and their actions, motivations, and development must be clear. Key principles include: protagonist and antagonist, the central character and the opposing force. Character traits, distinctive qualities that define behavior, speech, and appearance. Character arc, the transformation or growth a character undergoes throughout the story. Dialogue and actions reveal personality and relationships. Characters should feel real and evoke empathy from the audience, making them invested in the story. Lecture 5, Theme and Message. The theme is the underlying idea or message conveyed by the script. It provides depth and meaning to the narrative. Affective themes are: universal, resonating with broad human experiences. Consistent, reinforced through plot and character actions. Subtle yet clear, implied through story elements rather than explicitly stated. Themes can explore topics like love, betrayal, ambition, justice, or personal growth, giving the script a lasting impact on the audience. Lecture 6, Language in Scripts. Language in scripts serves both functional and artistic purposes. Key aspects include: dialogue must reflect character personality, background, and situation. Stage directions provide guidance on actions, movement, and tone. Style and tone should match the story's genre and emotional context. Economy of words, scripts are concise, every word must serve a purpose. The effective use of language ensures clarity, rhythm, and dramatic tension. Lecture 7, Conflict and Tension. Conflict is the engine of a script. Without conflict, there is no story. Conflict can be internal, psychological struggle within a character. External, struggle between characters or with society, nature, or circumstances. Situational, arises from circumstances or events affecting the characters. Tension must build progressively, reaching a climax before resolution. Techniques like suspense, surprise, and stakes raise tension and maintain audience engagement. Lecture 8, Exercises in Character and Situation Creation. Practical exercises help develop a writer's skill in creating characters and situations. Examples include writing monologues to explore a character's inner thoughts, creating dialogues that reveal relationships and conflicts, developing short scenarios that establish a setting, conflict, and outcome, group exercises to co-create scenes and test collaboration skills. These exercises strengthen understanding of how character, plot, and theme interconnect. In this first module, we covered Introduction to Script Writing and the Importance of Structure, Plot Devices, Characterization, Theme, and Language, Conflict, Tension, and Practical Exercises in Character and Situation Creation. This module lays the foundation for crafting engaging scripts that are coherent, dramatic, and emotionally resonant.